Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. In today's video, I'm going to make a pumpkin spice shoe design. So let's begin. This is going to be a low top version, shape fill green, and the outline darker, shape fill gradient, like that. Okay, the shape effects, bevel. Then we're going to open up the arrow here, go in the middle icon, 3D format, lighting. Just going to light up the top here, increase the width, like that. Let's do the same for this part here. I think I want a different style, so I'm going to take a different shape here. Let's just see here. Take this with the rounded corners. Shape fill. Green. Shape outline. Darker green. Weight. Maybe like that. Okay. Let's go with the gradient at the top. I have to send this back. Send to back. Bring forward. Shape effects, bevel. Take this one here. Now we're gonna go into the middle icon, lighting. I'm just gonna light up the bottom a little bit. Like that. 20-degree angle. Let's give it a black sole. Fill. Shape outline. Like that. Then bevel. That one's good. This. Why not keep that? And we're going to make it green as well. Shape effects. Bevel. Let's go with that. Okay, a little bit too bright. Tone it down a little bit. Okay, bring it out. Now, I think with this part here, I want to edit the points. Corner point. Orange. Take the bright one here. This thing here, make it look like a what do you call it? On the end of it. Shape fill. Shape effects. Bevel. Let's go with this one. This way. Let's go with that. Yeah, that's better. Same with this one. Shape fill. Okay. Insert shape, triangle. Just brighten that up. You can only handle gray shape fill. Gradient. There, that's the one. Shape effects. I'm going to move this out of the way so I can see what it's doing. I'm going to use that one. Actually, you know what? Get it even darker. Darker. Gradient. Like that. Outline. Weight. Like that. Smaller. Copy. Paste. Actually, I have to do it here. 2 more times. Okay, we'll do it here. Actually, just want to experiment here. Shape fill. Fill gradient. That one. Bring forward. I do it lighter. Shape effects. Bevel. Let's go like that. This green. Send it back. Bring forward. Now it's going to be behind. No outline. There we go. That's it. Thanks for watching.